A company wants to provide one of its employees with access to Amazon RDS. The company also wants to limit the interaction to only the AWS CLI and AWS Software Development Kits, SDKs. Which combination of actions should the company take to meet these requirements while following the principles of least privilege? Choose 2. A. Create an IAM user and provide AWS Management Console access only. B. Create an IAM user and provide programmatic access only. C. Create an IAM role and provide AWS Management Console access only. D. Create an IAM policy with administrator access and attach it to the IAM user. E. Create an IAM policy with Amazon RDS access and attach it to the IAM user. The correct answers are B and E. To meet the requirements of providing the employee with access to Amazon RDS while following the principles of least privilege, the company should create an IAM user and provide programmatic access only, B. This means that the user will only be able to access Amazon RDS through the AWS CLI and AWS SDKs, and not through the AWS Management Console. Additionally, the company should create an IAM policy with Amazon RDS access and attach it to the IAM user, E. This will ensure that the user only has access to the specific Amazon RDS resources that the company wants them to have access to. Answer A is incorrect because providing AWS Management Console access only does not limit the user to only the AWS CLI and AWS SDKs. Answer C is incorrect because creating an IAM role does not provide the user with access to Amazon RDS. Answer D is incorrect because providing administrator access is not following the principles of least privilege.